Well, friends, I welcome you to all of you in today's session. And the last time, if you remember, we have done the concept of complement and we have seen that how to subtract any number from its nearest base like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Similarly, we have seen that how to subtract decimal numbers from 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. And we have seen one very important sutra, the formula in this, and that was all from 9, last from 10, which otherwise is called as Nikhilam Sutra. Now you have to remember this Nikhilam Sutra because now today in this session we are going to do subtraction, actual subtraction. And this is the subtraction, the quickest way of doing subtraction by use of Vedic mathematics. There will be tremendous speed at which you can do these subtractions, right? Well, so for that, the first thing, as I told you, that you have to remember this formula, which is known as Nikhilam. Nikhilam. And in English we call it as all from 9, all from 9, last from 10. This is the sutra which you are going to use. This is known as Nikhilam Sutra. The complete form is Nikhilam Navataskaram Dashataha. So, well, this is the first point which you should remember. So, let me straight away start with some examples so that you can understand. And now, while doing this, there will be few types of problems. So there will be few types. The first one, which I call as case 1, is that where all upper numbers in the subtraction, all upper numbers are bigger than lower numbers. This is the first case which you will find. Let us see an example of this. 534 423 is to be subtracted from 534. Now here you can see that upper number is, this is the upper number, this is the lower number. Upper number is bigger, 4 is bigger than 3, 3 is bigger than 2, 5 is bigger than 4. So whenever there is an upper number, there is no issue at all. You are simply 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. So there is nothing to be done, no issue, no carry, simple subtraction, right? No issue. Absolutely nothing is to be done. You have to simply do the subtraction, which is absolutely easy, no issue, no carry, no subtraction, nothing of that sort. Well, this is the first case, and for this you need not see another example. I can give another example just for your understanding. 8, 9, 7 and say 7, 2, 3. Your upper numbers are bigger. 7 minus 3 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, 8 minus 7 is 1. So there is nothing is to be done. This is the first type. If the subtraction is like this, there is no issue and you can very well do it quickly and easily. Well, let us take the another issue, the case 2. Let me see the case 2. The case 2 says some upper numbers please follow me carefully, each and every step. Upper numbers are bigger and some are smaller. So some of the upper numbers are bigger and some of the upper numbers are smaller. So there is a mix of these two. Let me see an example. 624 to be subtracted by 398. Here you see, here the upper number is smaller, here the upper number is smaller, here the upper number is bigger. Now this is the actual case where you do the subtraction, and we will be using this all from 9 and last from 10, right? So let us see. Now here the upper number is 4. Remember certain things. Upper number is smaller, this is bigger. You cannot subtract 8 from 4. So what is to be done is, you should find out the difference of 4 and 8. The difference of 4 and 8 is how much? 4. Find out the difference of 4 and 8, 4, and then use the all from 9, last from 10. The first number, the difference 4, is to be reduced from 10, last from 10, and it becomes 10 minus 4 is 6, and you should write 6 here. Try to understand this. What I have done here, the upper number is smaller. The moment it's smaller, what is to be done? Find out the difference between these two. 8 minus 4 is 4, and this 4, this is the first time, this is the last number, and we are last number, and this 4 is to be reduced from, by using all from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and you write down 6. Now here one thing you try to understand. Here we are entering into the concept of complement, right? So we'll call this place, this particular case, we are here in complement. In complement. We are in complement. Now let us go ahead. This is 6. Here again the upper number is smaller. So we are still in complement because we have to use the complement. As long as the upper number is smaller, we are in complement. And when you are out of this, upper number is bigger, we are out of complement. Try to understand this. In complement and out of complement. So here, the first case, what you have done? 8 minus 4 is 4. And then you have taken from 10, you have reduced this 4, and you have got 6. Here, again we have to do the same thing. No carry. Carry is, forget about the carry. You are not to use any carry. Here again this is smaller. So what do you do it? 9 minus 2 is 7. And this time while using this last from 10, since this we are continuing from here, we will reduce from 9, not from 10. All from 9 and last from 10. As long as this incomplement continues, the first reduction will be from 10. Subsequently it will be from 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2. We write here 2. Right? Now see, so we are still in complement. Now the moment you come here, you will see that this number is bigger. And the moment this is bigger, we are out of complement. Out of complement. When you are out of complement, remember this thing very carefully. When we are out of complement, then we have to add 1 to the lower number. Add 1. So here 3 plus 1 is 4. The smaller number becomes 4. Because we are out of complement. The moment you are out of complement, you have to add 1 to this. It becomes 4. And the upper number is 6. So we will take the difference as 2 and we write here 2. Understand my point? This seems to be complicated. It is not complicated at all. The moment when you understand this, you will just do it quickly. Very quickly you will do it. I'll go through the same entire process once again. Here some of the numbers are bigger and some are smaller, right? Upper numbers are bigger, some upper numbers are smaller. In the first case, here, this is smaller. The moment it is smaller, what you do is reduce this, find the difference of these two, and then use the all from 9, last from 10. The first number is from 10, so 10 minus 4 is 6. Right? The moment we are entering in complement, remember it, the moment we are entering in complement, we have to reduce first number from 10. Then again, we are still in complement because the upper number is smaller. As long as upper number is smaller, we are in complement. So here again is smaller, you cannot reduce 9 from 2. So what do you do? Find the difference of 2 and 9, that becomes 7. And then now use this last, all from 9, last from 10. So instead of 10, we'll use 9 now. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus, here it was 10 minus 4 was 6. Then here 9 minus 7 is 2. Now here you see that the upper number is bigger. So we are out of complement. When you are out of complement, then you just add 1 to the lower number. So 3 plus 1, 4, and 6 minus 4 is 2. The answer is 226. So we have seen it by using all from 9, last from 10, we have made the subtraction, and you will see later on when you understand this, things are very easy, because you are not to carry anything at all. That concept of carry is already absolutely gone. You have not carried anything. 6 minus 4 is 6. And then 9 minus 7 is 2, and then 3, 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 6 minus 4, 2, 226. That's all. I will show you another example of the same type of problem. 4, 5, 6, 2, 6, 7. Just follow the same thing and take care of this in complement, out of complement, in complement, out of complement. And when you're out of complement, then you add 1. Remember this thing, in complement, out of complement. When you're out of complement, just add 1 to the lower number. That's all. Here, the upper number is smaller, we're in complement. 7 minus 6 is 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. Because we cannot reduce 7 from 6. So take the difference 1, and then first number is 10 minus 1 is 9. You just write 9 here. Again, this is in complement. The difference is 1. Reduce it from 9 and it becomes 8. Because second time we reduce from 9. As long as we are in complement, it's 9. Now, this number 4 is bigger, so we are out of complement. The moment you are out of complement, we'll add 1 to this number. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, the answer is 189. So what we have done, 7 minus 6 is 1, 10 minus 1, 9, 6 minus 5, 1, 9 minus 1, 8, and then 2 plus 1, 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 189. That's all. We have not done anything else, we have not remembered any carry, nothing of that sort. Do another problem of this type. 6, 9, 4, 5. 4, 8, 6, 7. Smaller number, in complement, difference is 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. We're still in complement. 6 minus 4, 2, 9 minus 2 is 7. Here, this is upper number is bigger, so you're out of complement. The moment you're out of complement, add 1 to this, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then we're still out of complement because the upper number is bigger, so do nothing. 6 minus 4 is 2. As long as you are in complement, then you will follow this all from 9 last from 10 Nikhilam Sutra. But once you're out of that, first time what you'll be doing, will add 1 to this. And then you're already out of complement, so next time you did not add 1 to this, you'll simply do the subtraction from 6 minus 4. So again, here we're in complement, 7 minus 5 is 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. You're still in complement, 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 here. We're out of complement, add 1 to this, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, right? And then we're still out of complement, so nothing is to be borrowed, no number is to be added to this. So what do you do it? 6 minus 4 is 10, and the number answer is 2078. Just follow this very carefully. I hope you have understood this. Okay. I'll show you another example. 63275, 63275, 47887. Just remember when you are in complement, when you are out of complement. And when first time you are out of complement, add 1 to the lower number. Remember, in complement, out of complement. When you are in complement, when your upper number is smaller than the lower number, you are in complement. The moment the upper number becomes bigger, you are out of complement. Right? The first time when you are out of complement, add 1 to the lower number, and then you need not add as long as it continues to be out of complement. Right? So here again, this is in complement, 5 minus 7, the difference is 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. Right? Here again we are in complement, 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8. We're still in complement, 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3. We're still in complement, 7 minus 3 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5. But here we are out of complement, upper number is bigger, so we add 1 to this, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. 1, 5, 3, 8, 8. So if you do like this, you will see that in complement, out of complement, and add 1 when you are out of complement. If suppose here again, the another number would have been 8, 3. Now after doing this 1, still you are out of complement, so there is no number to be added to this. As long as you are continuing, the first time you have to add 1. After that you need not add anything, would simply 8 minus 3 is 5, and that would have been like this. Are you getting my point? So in complement, out of complement for the first time, remember these concepts, right? Well, now we have finished our case 2, and today we'll be, in this session, we'll be doing only up to this case 2 of subtraction. In our next session, we'll be seeing the case 3 and case 4 of subtraction. So as I told you, there are 4 cases. Case 1 and case 2 is done in this session, and case 3 and case 4 will be seen in our next session. So till then, thank you very much. We'll see you again in our next session. All the best. Take care.